Hey friends, if you think eating healthy is hard and boring and the food tastes bland, stick around. I will show you how to transform any savory meal into a delicious and nutritious experience. This universal spice blend will make every meal more enjoyable for you. I even sprinkle it on my salads. If this is your first time on my channel, you are one step closer to discovering how to heal your body with food. My name is Oksana. I'm a registered nurse and a natural wellness coach. I teach people how to drop their prescriptions naturally so they can live up to their fullest potential. If you want to know how to turn your food into medicine, like this video and subscribe to my channel so you never miss a thing. Okay, let's start blending. As I mentioned, we are going to need 10 different spices. These are the ingredients. And a glass jar to store the spice later, but I think I'm going to use this larger jar to mix it first and then transfer it into a small one. Let's start with nutritional yeast. We're going to need 6 tablespoons of it. Here, take a closer look. Okay, so 6 tablespoons. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you which nutritional yeast not to buy. So this is my favorite brand, and I'll drop a link in the description. So we have 5, 6. Next we have 3 tablespoons of onion powder and dried parsley. And this will be it for the tablespoon measurements. Adding parsley to your meal helps your body metabolize glucose more efficiently, so you get better blood sugar control with each bite. Next we have basil, and we want 3 teaspoons. So don't know about you, but when I think of basil, I think pasta. I love basil smell. So next for spices, 6 teaspoons of each. Besides enhancing flavors, dry spices tremendously enhance your food's antioxidant content. Because if you think about what is spice, it is a super concentrated version of a live plant. Just a small pinch can double or even triple the antioxidant power of your meal. Now imagine when you add a pinch of 10 different spices. It is like an antioxidant on steroids. By the way, thyme is a fantastic healing herb. It speeds up metabolism and aids digestion. Thyme is related to mint family. It can be used as a tea for chronic urinary tract infections. We have 2 ingredients left, 1.5 teaspoons of each. So celery seeds. Celery seeds are a great source of essential minerals like calcium and iron. And finally, the king of all spices, turmeric. So 1.5. Speaking of turmeric, it is fantastic to fight any kind of inflammation in your body. Instead of buying expensive turmeric supplements, just buy the spice and start cooking with it. Now we're ready to shake it to mix this beauty up. And for you to mix it properly, you need to do this special happy dance. I'm just kidding. Just shake it, shake it, shake it like this. But you can dance it too. So why is it important to use lots of spices with each meal? It gives your taste buds a lot of different flavors, and it talks to your pleasure centers in your brain. So this way, every meal is full of flavors and your brain enjoys it more. So refrigerate it if you live in a hot climate and don't really have a controlled climate at home, or simply put it on your shelf. It looks like this. As promised, a word about nutritional yeast. One of the main reasons you want to add it to your daily diet, it is because it contains an entire panel of B vitamins, well, except B12. Vitamin B panel is essential for your brain activity and boosts your energy levels. Nutritional yeast you want to buy is non-fortified version, meaning it does not have synthetic vitamins added to it. Non-fortified. From my experience, it's hard to come by a non-fortified version in a store, so therefore I recommend that you buy it online. I will attach a link in a description below this video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.